president's remarks did not mention the recent alarming spike in coronavirus cases. Yesterday, Dr. Anthony Fauci became the latest high-ranking official to be vaccinated in public and encouraged others to get the vaccine. U.S. officials reported more than 3,400 deaths yesterday, the second highest one-day toll since the pandemic began here. Mola Lenghi reports on the fear that Christmas celebrations will make the virus spread even faster.
If you have travel plans right now, cancel those travel plans.
As New York Mayor Bill de Blasio pleaded with New Yorkers to stay home for Christmas.
Stay away from me.
Tensions boiled over in California over masking up during the holiday season.
300,000 people are dead!
Former Growing Pains star Kirk Cameron hosted a controversial mask-optional protest against the state's stay-at-home orders, with more than 100 people singing carols at a Los Angeles area mall.
There is immunity in community.
Southern California is no stranger to resistance to COVID restrictions. The LA County Sheriff's Office says it has made at least 235 arrests, busting underground parties in December alone. And Southern California is suffering from the fallout. ICUs across the region are at capacity, with hospitals scrambling for extra space. The University of California Irvine Medical Center is one of 3 facilities in Orange County building new mobile field hospitals to handle an influx of COVID patients.
We're exhausted. We're holding on.
Brad Spellberg is Chief Medical Officer at the LA County USC Medical Center.
What is the worst case scenario here?
Our fear is we end up looking like New York did, in April, when you are just systematically, completely overwhelmed.
It's like a bomb has been dropped on our home.
Teresa Perazzi knows the emotional toll COVID can take on a family all too well. Her 85-year-old parents, Jerry and Shirley, have been married for 57 years. They were both hospitalized with COVID this month, just days apart.
As I'm waving to my dad goodbye in the ambulance, I'm thinking this might be the last time I see him.
New this morning, the Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar has just announced this morning that the federal government has reached a deal with Pfizer for an additional 100 million doses of its vaccine. That's in addition to the 100 million that was already on the way to the federal government. And of course, Jerika, this moves the government closer to its ultimate goal of vaccinating all Americans.
All right, Mola Lenghi for us. Thank you so much.